So the first one we're going to look at is the light crude market. This is light crude on a daily chart with cycle analysis. Again, for those people that are new, what we look at are the repeating rhythms in the market. The bottom right over here you see are the cycle brackets, and what those cycle brackets are telling you is where the rhythms are. There are rising phases and corrective phases, and when the corrections don't come, it's because it's swamped. And what that means is that the upward component of that momentum indicator that you see right there, which is the slim ribbon, if you don't have the slim ribbon, make sure you download it, and you can now run that, whether it be on Thinkorswim, which you download from our site, or you can also get that on TradingView. The upward momentum was so strong there were hardly any declines during these corrective periods right in there, and then all of a sudden it did have a pretty good decline, and that was in a line with an intermediate decline that we were expecting. Now we got this rally back that was a little bit stronger, hits the sell zones, and then begins to move down. So what are we looking for here? Well, we're looking for a little more sideways action and then moving back down and test the area of support around 38.40 in the next 1 to 2 weeks. We think that area is a buy, and you can see it labeled here as the buy zone if it does get down around over there, because we think intermediate patterns are turning up. Momentum right now is still negative, and this was a sell indicator right over here, and you can learn about the projection oscillator used along with the slim ribbon by going to our site in Tools for Text and look at it's called Slim's Favorite Study Pair, and we talk about the slim ribbon and the projection oscillator. So you can watch that if you're a level 2, 3, or 4 member in our library. I'll tell you more about the library in a moment. So the right in here, we're still in negative momentum. We expect that this will be moving back to the downside again one more time. Some of the evidence is that the intermediate patterns are likely going to bottom in the next couple of weeks, so that the decline we're looking for is going to be alongside opportunity. When we see it get down into that area of the buy zone, we look at time and price in this analysis. Right now, all time frames have negative momentum, so it should weigh on this for a little bit, and then it's got some work to do to make that bottom. So that's light crude on the short term.